Which of the following is not a standard projector adjustment? First, let's start with Keystone. Keystone, I like to think about it as like a key. So you know how a key, it's like flat on the top and it's got ridges on the bottom? Well, Keystone for a projector means the image is wider on the top and narrower on the bottom, or vice versa. So it's kind of like a difference, like a key in the top or bottom. And like I said, it could be either the top or bottom that's wider than the other. And then if the bottom is wider, the top will be thinner, not thinner, but like smaller, closer together, not as wide. So you want to be adjusting the settings to get it at the perfect kind of rotation that way, so it's flat. Next, we have Pincushion. What is Pincushion? It doesn't have to do with sewing or pillows, but pillows can help make you remember it easier. Because a pincushion is where there's kind of like a sag, and it's basically the image sagging in towards the middle. So the sides are kind of sloped in, kind of like one of those old pillows that have that kind of shape. Little, you know what I mean? Shape. I'll try to find a picture, put it right here, what I'm talking about. But that is what pincushioning is, and that's how I remember it. Next, we have Skew. Now, if I think of skew, I like to think of something that's kind of skewed to one side. At least that's whenever I've heard the word skew, that's the context I've always kind of heard it in. So for a skew, this is exactly what it is. A skew is where, let's say the projector is flat, right? It's projecting onto the screen. That image is tilted. It is skewed. You need to recenter it, or you need to adjust that. So those are all of the above. Remember, Keystone is either wider on the top or the bottom. Pincushion, there's a bit of sagging towards the middle. And skew is where there's a bit of a slant. Threading doesn't exist. So threading is not a standard projector adjustment.